what kind of blue do you want in your soap? Okay, this is light blue, or you want this navy blue. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get this kind of color in your soap making with just one ingredient, one colorant. The colorant is called indigo powder. Okay, indigo powder. Indigofera tinctoria. Okay, that's the botanical name. So if you want to check it out, you can. Indigo tinctoria. Let's talk about what kind of color can we get with this, okay? Now, this one here, I use half a teaspoon in 50 grams of water. Let me repeat that. Half a teaspoon in 50 grams of water. Before that, I use 3 teaspoons in 100 grams of water. And this is what I get, okay? Very dark blue. And when I do the layering, I can actually get the bleeding, okay? The blue bleeding from the indigo powder in the water, okay? So that is not desirable, okay? When you're making soap. Sometimes it's unavoidable, like if you use charcoal there, right? Definitely the black will come out in the layering, okay? The bleeding out, okay? But if you don't want that, half a teaspoon in distilled water. That's what I did in this bottle here. I'm going to do it now for you as well. So half a teaspoon. Okay. That's all you need. Okay. Now this ingredient is very difficult to mix cold water. Okay. If you want to mix it, you have to use hot water. Okay. I use the microwave. Okay, to infuse this, otherwise it's going to take a long time. Okay, so let me do that. So we want 50 grams. 54, doesn't matter, 55. I go straight into the microwave. Okay, mix a little bit up a little bit, and it goes straight to the microwave. Because it needs warm water. Otherwise, get clumpy. Okay, so microwave for 30 seconds. I'm gonna do that now. It's a beautiful color, but you gotta know how to use it properly. Also, I just learned another method of oil infusion of using indigo, which I'm gonna try as well. Might as well, right? Because I tried to test out the crock pot that I had a long time. Wait a second. Okay. Now I'll try to use the crock pot to infuse the oil in hot method. Since we're using heat, okay, to transfer all the indigo powder out. Now with the heat, it's actually pretty good, okay. Get all the clump. Keep mixing, okay. When you get out from the microwave, you don't want the clump. What I learned about indigo powder is you actually can make a pink color from it as well. Pink color, okay? I didn't know that. I thought you can only use blue. But apparently, Holy Soap Making, she's on YouTube, okay? Search for her, beautiful videos. Her soap is beautiful. So I learned a lot from her as well. So if you want to learn how she does it, techniques-wise and all that stuff, you can actually check out her video. But what I learned from her is you can actually infuse it in the oil that you use. Okay, so I'm going to do that as well with the crock pot and use heat to heat it up. Okay, 2 hours only. That's all you need, and it actually can infuse it. Okay, so I have this now. This in water. I would infuse this in oil as well. I'm going to use the same oil. Okay, rice bran oil. Okay, so why it's cheap? Okay. That's the only reason. So I'll do that as well. Pretty much dissolve in there. Okay, and when you use it, it should be good. Look at that. Okay, it was. Now with her, right, she used a lot. Okay, in her recipe to get the pink. Okay, she used like 4 tablespoons in 2 pounds of oil. Now I'm going to infuse it into this mason jar and use the crock pot to heat it up, okay? So she suggests to use 4 tablespoons in this whole lot here. This one is 1 liter, or roughly 2 pounds. 2 pounds, yeah, 2 pounds each. One, 2. Okay, I'll probably use 2. not 4. Okay, 4 is too much. Too much for my liking. Okay, because look, this stuff is relatively expensive. It's not cheap. Okay, so I'll take easy on it. Okay, then I'm going to 22 grams. Okay, let me write it down. So I have 22 grams there. Okay, so 22 grams of indigo. Now I'm going to put in. Let me tie this up. Okay, 900. Okay, 900. I'm gonna get like 260. Make it even. So. 772. Okay, so hopefully I can use a lot out of this batch here to get the indigo blue if I want. Okay, 772 grams of rice bran oil. Make sure you write it down as you go. Now close the lid. Now we're going to use heat or time. Okay, I'm going to use heat together with this one in the crock pot. Okay, in the argonite root.